Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a VPN app that will secure your connection, add an extra layer of online protection, and enhance your internet activities. This app is available on the Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store and search for Smart IP Tunnel. Make sure to select the correct app, then install it on your device. Once installed, tap Open to start the setup. If you're new here, take a moment to subscribe and share this video with friends who may benefit from it. When the app opens, make sure you're connected to the internet so the app can update to the latest version automatically. Next, pick a server. You can choose a specific server, but for this guide, we'll use the Auto Select Server option. This automatically picks the best working server for your location, ensuring fast and stable performance. After that, select a network. For today's guide, we'll use all countries UDP. UDP is fast, secure, and works in most locations. If UDP doesn't work for your country, you can select your country manually from the list. Then, add connection time by tapping the Add Hours button. This ensures the app doesn't stop working if the time runs out. Finally, tap the Start button to connect. Once connected, your internet is secure, fast, and protected. That's how we set up Smart IP Tunnel for a safe and fast online experience. If this guide helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more useful content, and I'll see you in the next video.